there. I was curious. Do you guys allow smoking inside of your motel?
No, the rooms are non-smoking. What room are you in?
I'm upstairs. I'm staying upstairs, and I just started smoking in here. And can you hear it? The alarm's getting really loud.
Arey, what are you? Where are you right now?
I'm in
What's
the
your
room
room
right
number?
now. I just it's hard to hear because of
what
the
is your
fire
room
alarms
number?
going off. Do you possibly have a
room
fire
number?
extinguisher outside? Is there one on the
Yeah,
outside the door?
they're outside.
Okay.
Raj,
All right. Let
जरा
me get some
बाहर
water.
निकलना है, No, what is your room number? कुछ fire lab आग लगा के बैठा है. Just बाहर.
Ma'am, I'm trying to get on
What's the room
WikiHow right
number?
now to learn how to turn off
What's
a
the room
fire. Can you
number?
just give me the Wi-Fi password, please?
What room number?
I almost got it under control, so you don't have to
You
worry
know
about
what?
it.
Stop giving us prank calls.